Now let's talk about the characteristics of successful product development. First is it should be customer-centric approach. It should always start with a deep understanding of the customer needs and wants. This could be done through market research. Second is to have a clear vision and strategy. The product should have a strong value proposition to ensure that it stands out in the market. There should be a roadmap what the company wants to achieve in the future. Third is to have cross-functional collaboration. There should be collaboration among research and development department, marketing, sales, and customer support. Team members should ensure efficient project progression and problem solving. Fourth is to have innovation and creativity. There should be a culture that encourages new ideas and creative solutions. There should be iterative processes to ensure continuous improvement of the product. Fifth is to use agile development methodologies. This will ensure that the product development will adapt to changes quickly while breaking the development process into smaller, manageable phases for regular assessments and adjustments. Six is to have robust project management. Having project managers who can manage timelines and resources are important. They should also identify potential risks and mitigate them. Seventh is to have quality assurance. Implementing quality control procedures are important to ensure that the product meets high quality standards. There should also a need to monitor products after sales. Eighth is to have effective marketing strategy. This will ensure that the product will have sufficient brand awareness through marketing campaigns, press releases, and promotional activities. Ninth is to have scalability. This will help the product to grow and expand throughout the years with minimal effort. Tenth is to have customer feedback integration. Feedback loops are important for the collection and analyzing customer data. There should be iterative development for the continuous updating of the product. Thank you and happy learning.